day everyone. In today's fast-changing world, technology plays an important role in our daily lives, especially in education, multimedia, and information and communication technology or ICT are transforming the way we learn, communicate, and grow. Multimedia is the combination of text, audio, image, animation, and video to deliver content interactively. ICT refers to the device, network, and software used to create, process, and share things information such as computer, internet, and smartphone. Multimedia and ICT enhancing communication, education, and productivity by integrating text, audio, image, and video to make information engaging and accessible. An advocacy message for multimedia and ICT emphasizes their role as powerful tools for social change, information dissemination, and community empowerment. Regarding multimedia and ICT, emphasize utilizing digital tools to foster social change in education, and drive innovation. Key themes include using social media for advocacy, integrating rich media, video, audio, graphics for engagement, and promoting responsible digital citizenship.